This is Mike with Jane and Reviews, and today I want to tell you why this is my favorite watch holder. This is a review sample from QWATCH, so thank you so much for the sample. So we're going to get right into it. I'm going to put it down and let's check it out. This is the drawer that it comes with. It's very nice. This is an aluminum handle, has their logo there. So this is the black color, and I like that it kind of like just kind of you push it and it just kind of like goes in kind of by itself. So this is like a plastic cover, so you would want to be very careful. You don't want it to crack or break or anything, so you gently put it down. So this is our Apple Watch. So we have it here for display. This is a microfiber velvety type of feeling liner. So it feels like a velvet. It feels very nice. So let me put this down over here so you can turn it around. So this is how it looks like in the back. This is the little stand. This is what it looks like on the bottom. So it has like a protector here on the bottom so it won't, slide and scratch the surface. So yeah, so it's pretty sturdy. It's a little bit heavy. Keep that in mind. So it's not that heavy, but it has a little bit of weight to it. I would just be extra careful with this because it's not glass, it's like a plastic. So if it falls, it can crack and then, it won't look that nice. So you definitely want to, you can use this to, you definitely want to put your watch inside there, and you can put some jewelry, rings, necklaces, bracelets, whatever you want inside. So it's just a really nice touch that they have. So I'm looking forward to using it. Super nice. Thank you again, QWATCH, for the sample, and hope you enjoy it.